Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your games and your Game Pass subscription to other accounts on your Xbox Series X. And this is really easy to do. Now, to do this, you want to make your home Xbox, set it to this current console. Now, go up to Settings right here and select this. And then go to General and then go to the right and go to Personalization. Then go down to My Home Xbox right here and select this. And checkmark, make this my home Xbox. Now, you can only do this 5 times in a year. What is a home Xbox? When this is your home Xbox, people can play your downloaded games without you signing in. Plus, if you have Xbox Game Pass, your whole household gets to enjoy it on this Xbox. We recommend setting this on your Xbox you use the most. You can have one home Xbox at a time and can switch it up to 5 times a year. So if you set this as my home Xbox, all the games you have on your console will be shared to all the other accounts. Also, any kind of subscriptions you have, like your Xbox Game Pass, will be also applied to your other accounts. So you can easily start playing somewhere else, or maybe if you have 2 Xboxes, well, you can share your games to your different Xbox as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.